Hey there, tech enthusiasts. You know how we all love our iPhones, those shiny little rectangles that cost more than some people's rent. Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into Apple's next big thing, the rumored iPhone 17 Air. Yes, you heard me right, an ultra-thin premium device, so slim it might just slip through your fingers. Literally. But here's the kicker. Is this going to be the most luxurious piece of tech money can buy? Or is it just another gimmick for people who want their phones thinner than a credit card? Stick around till the end, where I'll tell you if this phone is worth trading in your iPhone 17 Pro Max, or if you should save your cash for something else entirely. So let's get one thing straight. This isn't your average iPhone upgrade. Rumor has it, Apple is planning to launch the iPhone 17 Air, which could redefine what thin means in the smartphone world. Think about it. At just 5.5 to 6 millimeter thick, this would make it the thinnest flagship phone since, well, ever. For context, the original iPhone 6 was thicker than this. Now, before you start imagining yourself pulling out this razor-thin beauty at a fancy dinner party, let's talk specs. First off, it's not called the Pro or Max. Nope. This is the Air, a name reserved for lightweight laptops and now apparently for phones too. And guess what? It's shaping up to be the epitome of minimalism meets luxury. Let's address the elephant in the room, the thickness, or lack thereof. At under 6 millimeters, this phone will feel like holding a wafer. But here's the million-dollar question. Does thinner always mean better? Sure, it looks cool on paper, but when you slap a case on it, which, let's face it, everyone does, it won't feel much different from any other phone. And don't even get me started on durability. Remember those days when you dropped your phone and it survived because it had some heft to it? Yeah, good luck with that here. This thing feels like it might shatter just by looking at it funny. Okay, enough doom and gloom. Let's talk about the positives. One of the standout features of the iPhone 17 Air is that it's rumored to have promotion technology, that buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate we've only seen in Pro models until now. Finally, non-Pro users are getting a taste of the good life. Add to that a new scratch-resistant coating, an anti-reflective glass, and suddenly this screen becomes one of the best in the business. Whether you're watching Netflix in bed or showing off your portfolio during a meeting, this display screams luxury. Ah, yes, the cameras. Here's where things take a nosedive. Instead of the usual dual camera setup, the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to come with just one lens, a wide-angle shooter. No ultra-wide, no telephoto, nada. It's like Apple decided to go full minimalist Picasso on us. Sure, they'll probably slap some AI magic on it to make photos look decent, but come on, how do you justify charging top dollar for a phone with fewer cameras than a budget Android? If photography is your jam, stick with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Trust me, you won't regret it. Finally, let's talk battery life. With such a thin profile, it's no surprise that the battery capacity is expected to take a hit. Early leaks suggest this could be one of the worst performing batteries in Apple's lineup. Not exactly ideal for power users or anyone who doesn't carry a portable charger everywhere. Imagine paying $1,500 plus for a phone that dies faster than your morning coffee buzz. Ouch. All right, let's settle this once and for all. Should you splurge on the iPhone 17 Air or stick with the tried and true iPhone 17 Pro Max? Here's my take. Design. The Air wins hands down for sheer elegance. It's like comparing a supermodel to a bodybuilder performance. Both will likely share the same A19 chip, so no difference there. Cameras. The Pro Max absolutely crushes it with triple lenses and computational photography wizardry with 48 megapixel battery life. Again, the Pro Max takes the crown. More bulk equals more juice. Price. Expect the Air to sit somewhere between the standard model and the Pro tier, but still pricey enough to make your wallet cry. Bottom line, if you care about style over substance, go for the Air. But if you need a workhorse that can handle everything from gaming to professional photo editing, the Pro Max remains king. So what do you think? Are you ready to embrace the future of ultra-thin luxury with the iPhone 17 Air? Or does the idea of sacrificing cameras and battery life leave you cold? Personally, I'd rather hold on to my Pro Max, but hey, that's just me. Before you go, smash that like button harder than you tap an angry email reply. And subscribe to stay updated on all things Apple. And we've got plenty more leaks and rumors coming your way. Oh, and drop a comment below telling me whether you'd pick the Air or the Pro Max. Let's see in future. Peace out.